guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite Pharrell Williams collaboration for 2019. This is the Pharrell Williams Human Made collaboration with Nigo for the Solar U silhouette. Let's go. Now, before we move forward, a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video. Of course, I'm talking about the one and only Rose Gold and Black. If you guys are looking for men's accessories, they are one of the best brands that you can cop from. They're based out of Australia. They ship here to the Philippines and around the world. Now, they have an ongoing Christmas sale. It's 30% off plus free shipping. All you have to do is to go to the link down below in the description box to avail of that particular, promo. Also use the code XMAS19 for an extra 15% off. Guys, if you're thinking of buying men's accessories, please remember, check out Rose Gold and Black. Pharrell Williams came out with a lot of sneakers together with Adidas for 2019, ranging from a bunch of NMDs in different colors to the Solar U's in different colors and to the B Boost You Wear X, that weird looking tight basketball sneaker in different colors as well. A lot of them are actually still sitting on shelves and a lot of them are actually being sold at a discount. Now, I saw all of the sneakers and I didn't actually buy any of them because nothing really stood out. Nothing was different, nothing captured my imagination, nothing tickled, you know, that excitement in me when it comes to shoes, except for this one sneaker. And a big part of that is the brand that they collaborated with. So this sneaker is a collaboration between three people. You have Adidas, you have Pharrell Williams, and you have Nigo from the brand Human Made. What is Human Made and why did it get me excited? If there's one brand to watch out for, at least in my opinion, it's really these guys. Nigo is the same person who put together Bape, who's no longer part of Bape. So that's the reason why Bape is going so mainstream now, because they're licensing it left and right. So that creative mind, that artistry, the person who started that particular brand is actually the guy behind this brand, Human Made. And that's why I actually ended up buying one of his military style like body bags. Just look really dope. The logo is insane. And it really puts together style and function beautifully in a product. And that, I think, is what you also get with this particular silhouette. Now, if you take a closer look at it, it's basically your Solar U sneaker in all white. So everything on it is white. You have the Boost white midsole. You have that neoprene-like type upper with some sort of like knit material here at the vamp, padded collar. You have the heel counter over here, the TPU plugs for additional support and stability. You have the Continental outsole here at the bottom. Now, the different thing is there are reflective hits along the sneaker. Now, what makes it really pop is this embroidered Human Made logo that you see here at this part of the shoe. And I think that combination of just a basic all-white sneaker with a nice red logo with Human Made makes it pop a lot more compared to a lot of other sneakers that we've seen in the Pharrell line. Now, it comes with white laces, but you can actually change it up and put in these red laces that come with the sneaker if you want it to be screaming a little bit more. I kind of prefer it with just the white because it's a little bit cleaner that way, and it focuses the attention on the Human Made logo that you see here at the vamp of the shoe. So how is this sneaker on feet? It is one of the more comfortable sneakers that you can wear if you find the right sizing. Sizing is critical for the Solar U. That is, I think, the biggest advice or the biggest thing that's an issue with this sneaker. Why do I say that? It's not friendly for people with wide feet if you go true to size, but if you go a half size up or even consider going a full size up, it becomes like 2-3 times more comfortable. Because the problem is this particular part of the shoe can become tight, mainly because probably of the stitching or the material that they use for this particular part of the sneaker. But if you loosen it up a bit by going a half size up or a full size up, there's more room, breathability, and flexibility. And that combined with the Boost midsole and the stability that you get with this plug gives it an excellent ride. So if you're walking in them, if you're running in them, as a casual everyday sneaker, as a workout shoe, as a running sneaker, works really well. Of course, the only issue is that it is white, so it gets dirty pretty fast. So just make sure to wipe it down every now and then or have it cleaned once it becomes unrecognizably, brown already instead of being the white sneaker that it's supposed to be. I personally think that over time, when Human Made becomes bigger and when it becomes more popular, not just in Japan or not just in, you know, in niche streetwear communities, the value of sneakers made by Nigo will go up. But I'm not betting on that, and that's not the real reason why I got it, because hello, I'm not reselling it, I'm actually wearing it a lot. But yeah, I just feel that the Human Made brand will become much bigger in the next few years. Now, apart from the Solar U, we also have the Pharrell Williams Human Made sneaker, or with Nigo, for the NMD. I actually also have that. I will be showing you guys some on-feet footage somewhere on the screen. I prefer this one over the NMD because, like what I mentioned with my review of the Pharrell Williams NMDs, the cage along the side explode outwards if you have wide feet like me, and that's even going a half size up, going a full size up already. So at the full size up, the plastic cage along the side kind of bends outward, looks really awkward and weird. So while I do have that sneaker and I probably will wear it every now and then, if I were to pick between this and the NMD, I would definitely go for this one any day of the week. Now, if you want to purchase one, I'm not too sure if it's still available locally. I did see a couple of pairs, I think just of the, I think it's like the tennis Pharrell Williams shoe, no longer the Solar U or the NMDs. You can check out Commonwealth over at Greenbelt or Commonwealth over at Rockwell. Unfortunately, I didn't see it in any Adidas stores anymore, so your best bet is to check it, well, at Commonwealth. So yeah guys, this is my favorite Pharrell Williams shoe of 2019. How about you? Let me know down below in the comment section which sneaker of Pharrell Williams you love the most this year, and if ever, what do you think he should be doing in 2020 to up his game so that you guys will buy his sneakers again. With that said, I hope you enjoyed the vlog for today. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.